What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video. In today's video, we will be doing a room tour at the Rio, except we're gonna be looking at one of their newly renovated rooms. So let's get into it. So when we first walk into the room, immediately on our left-hand side is the vanity area. You have one sink, a pretty cool looking mirror, some wall art, your magnifying mirror for makeup, the blow dryers over here. And then you have 4 sets of drawers that you can use. And then if we go over here, straight ahead is the bathroom. Turn the light on, and again, you have another sink and mirror. You have towels, and check out this shower. This shower is actually very interesting because one, it's a removable shower head, so that's actually very convenient. They also have like a little shelf so you can put your amenities there, but they also provide body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and then there's a little bar right here to help you in and out the shower. However, there is no door. It's like a half door, so it's a walk-in shower, because like see over here you could see the reflection and stuff, but then over here there's nothing. So like there is no extra door. It's just this piece right here of glass, and then the rest of this is open. So I think that's an interesting concept for a shower, because I feel like the floor will definitely be getting wet, so make sure to put that towel down. And then over here, if we check out the mirror, hold on, the bathroom is a little tight because I'm right next to the toilet, but if we check out the mirror and the sink, and then of course your towels and toilet paper right there. And then if we leave the bathroom, on the left-hand side, we have the closet. So let's see how much space we're working with. Ooh, you guys did not hear that. But you have your ironing board. They provide some hangers. And this is where you can put your luggage, which is nice. Oh, this is cool. So they have regular hangers and then hangers with the clips on them over there. And then of course a shelf. Now if we open up the other side, then this is where you have your safe and then just extra floor. So you can put your suitcases and everything else that you have on the floor next to that luggage thing. I still have no idea what that's called, by the way. But on our way to the main area, there's this hook right here where you could put your towels, your coats, whatever your heart desires. So that's pretty nice. And then onto the main area, you have a full length mirror. And I really like the frame that this mirror is in. I just think it's a nice touch. I don't know, I just really like it. And then next to that, you have the entertainment system area. So you have a TV, wall decor, and then check out how long this couch is. So there are 2 different options you can have for Rio's newly renovated rooms. You can have 2 queens and a couch that turns into a sleeper, so it's like you could pull out a mattress or whatever from the couch, or there's an option where you could get 1 king size bed and a sleeper. So obviously this is the 2 queens and a sleeper option. There is not that much wall decor except for this corner over here, which is nice, and this is like their desk area since there is no desk. So if you pull this cabinet open, there's actually shelves that you can use. So that's nice. And then this section over here on the left is actually a refrigerator. And check it out. It's empty. You can use it. They're not gonna charge you to use it, but look how big this is. So you have shelves where you can put water here. You have like floor space here where you can put small foods and stuff. Or like if you need anything refrigerated that fits here. So I think that's cool that they have refrigerators that are empty that you can use free of charge. So this is the bed area. Again, this is the 2 queen size bed options. I will say one thing I noticed about this room, hold on, this is like crooked, I believe. One thing I noticed about this room is that there's no dressers. There's no dressers here, but I mean, it is what it is. And also for a newly renovated spot, I don't know if you can see it, but the handle right there is broken. So let's open it up. But yeah, you guys see how this is broken? So for something that's newly renovated, not a good look, but it is what it is. And then with this lamp, I want to show you guys this lamp specifically because you have the switches to turn the lamp on and off. And then they also have an outlet here and here. So I think that's nice because usually the outlets are found somewhere in the couch, depending where you stay, like what casino, hotel you stay at. But let's check out the view. I looked at it and it's not strip side, but it is what it is. Can't complain. Window's a little dirty. So as you can see, we are facing the backside of Rio. So all you can see really is houses and like warehouses and stuff. I see a couple of apartments, but it's not much of a view. But again, it is what it is. We are looking at one of their parking garages right there. And then on the left is the sign that says Gold Coast. After that, the rest of this is just warehouses and things like that. Y'all, we gotta talk because as I'm setting up to check to see if this place has bed bugs or not, I'm just now noticing how dirty this place is. Like, look at this sink. It is clearly not cleaned properly because like I just turned the water on, as you can see, but like all this stuff was already in the sink itself. And then like, look at this top drawer. Look how dirty it is. I mean, it's got scuff marks and scratches. Like, this is gross. But like, it's like that across the whole thing. Let me see if I can get a close up. Yeah, you see how like, I can't tell if that's like paint chipped, a crayon, like I don't know, but it's like consistent with this whole thing. I'm telling them how dirty this room is. I was like, I'm literally setting up to do the iron check. I'm literally setting up to do the iron check on the bed. This sink is dirty. This whole section is dirty. It's got scuff marks and stuff. Let me check this other sink. This sink looks somewhat clean. I only see like a speck over there, but like this is kind of gross. And then I told them how the lady was like, oh, you're going to room blah, blah, blah. So yeah, not off to a great start. Yeah, I pointed that out earlier.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah. But okay, yeah, let's go see if they have bed bugs. It doesn't reach the outlet to the bed that we're gonna check for bed bugs, bug beds, whatever. It doesn't reach. This is hot. I'm gonna unplug it, we're gonna iron it, and we're gonna be fast, okay? But this is hot. Ready? 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 Unplug, unplug, unplug. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take your iron and just iron it. Am I doing this right?
Put pressure on it.
I am.
Just do the corner and see if anything pops up.
I know how to iron, but I've never done this technique I've never even checked for bed bugs before. So like, am I doing this correctly?
Go in a circle. That's what she did on the video.
She went in a circle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not seeing anything so far.
Okay, let it go. Let's see.
I don't see anything.
Nothing.
It's not even ironing, it doesn't feel.
So at least the bed is clean.
Is it though? Because I feel like I'm doing this incorrectly. And with the way
I
that.
can feel the heat from the iron.
Okay, because I'm like, with the way that the rest of the room look.
Yeah, but that's just stuff that could be wiped down. At least this is. All right, lift up.
I don't see nothing. And it is still warm.
And this is the sheet to the mattress.
Yeah, it's not the big blanket that they tuck in.
Okay.
I don't know how I feel about it. I have mixed emotions about this. I'm just gonna be real with y'all. I'm still upset with that lady that screamed out our room number. And I think what irritated me about that is like, she was also a lady. And our whole party was also women. And there was men right behind us, like 5 feet. Less than that, I would say. So I'm just like, between that, the dirtiness over there, I don't know if I did it right, but that was the experience. Okay, so while I was putting away the iron and stuff, my mom was like, oh, what is that? You didn't open it? I said no. So she opens it, and it's got little like cotton balls that you can use. And I like how it's in a Ziploc, so you know that it's sanitized. But you could also put like Q-tips and stuff in here. So I thought that was cool considering everything else in here is dirty.
Oh, your toothbrush. Wow. Is it clean now that's ready?
Oh, is it?
Ooh, it's very
clean.
it is.
It's because it's new. I mean, it just looks a little like dusty.
But like it's no dust or anything.
Oh, okay. Wait, what was that? Lift it up again? I wasn't paying attention. I mean, there's a little stain.
Oh my god.
But I'm not gonna be nitpicky. I'm not gonna be nitpicky. The sink really grossed me out. That's why.
I didn't see before you fell.
Look it. It's, I don't even know if that's a bug or something. Like, I'm not trying to be Inspector Gadget over here, but like, that's gross. Okay, again, I don't know how my mom finds this stuff, but literally she was like, oh, why is this a cutout? And like, literally, it's a cutout, but like, for what? And she was like, oh, is it to grab your towel? But like, do you think your arm can reach from this cutout to over here where the towels are? Because there's no hook or anything. Remember, there's nothing over here. Even if you, I mean, there's a hook on the back door, but like, so what is this? Why is this? Is it because to turn on and off the water so you don't have to walk in the whole way? Because like, this doesn't move. We established that earlier. Also, another thing she noticed, these doorknobs don't match. And she's like, oh, that's gonna bother me. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you for today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you think the Rio's renovations are actually worth it, or if you would stay elsewhere, or anything like that. Because remember, Rio is an off-strip property. So the strip is walkable, or like within walking distance, but it's not on the boulevard itself. So let me know down in the comments if you guys would stay here, or if you guys have stayed here, what your guys' experience was like and everything like that, because I'm always curious to know. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!